Alright guys, today we're installing a Cobra 4x4 snorkel on a V6 Ranger 2023 model. We've also got the template that comes in the kit, and I'll give you guys a step-by-step on how to fit this. So the template is on, so there's a line that's a cutout, and then it says bolt. And you line that up in the middle of the bolt, and that's how you get the actual template. Get the washer bottle out because we've got an aftermarket washer bottle to go in, and then we've got room to do our cut. Okay, once you've cut your hole out, we'll go and put some primer on there or some black paint so it doesn't rust, and then we can put our pinch weld on. Okay, so done the cut, put the paint, put the pinch weld, test fitting the snorkel, and then we got a little bracket behind there that we have to use a riv nut. Okay, tubes are in place, clamps are too. That one's a bit of a tight one to get to, so just make sure that's clamped on properly. If you're stuck on the adjustment, you can always leave this one loose, so when you connect that to the airbox, you got a bit of play to move it. Okay, so the airbox, so we take out MAF sensor wiring, and we've got an 8mm bolt that's over here, and then we'll take it off from here. The airbox is out. Last elbow is this tube here, stainless steel tube. Goes into this hole of the airbox. Cut the factory hole. You can see you punch a hole through that, and that'll secure the tube into the airbox. Both bolts are in, and then now we go and put silicone. We'll seal up that joint. Okay, silicone's in. We can pop this straight back in, put the clamp on the elbow. Airbox is back in, tube to the elbows tightened, siliconed. Alright, the next step is to mount the two bolts into the pillar with the riv nuts. So the sensor will go in that hole, the pump will go into that hole there. So just remove them both and then insert them into the new washer bottle. Okay, washer bottle is in position, and then it's the factory wiring, and then you just add the extra piece that comes in the kit.